welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillVacationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be doing gacha slime. So basically, I'll be making a slime that looks like a gacha character. And the person's gacha OC that I'll be recreating is chocolate gachas. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So on the screen, there's gonna be a picture of the gacha character that I'm recreating. So right here, I have some clay. This is gonna be the face. So I'm just gonna kind of mold it. So by looking at the picture, it looks like the face is almost it's not like a rectangle, but it's a bit a little bit rectangle-like. So I think that looks pretty good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to the eyes. So right here I have some white clay. The eyes are actually kind of big. Okay, so I'm gonna make the eyes kind of separately. They're a bit rectangular as well, and they have a little bump almost. I think there's a bit too much clay right here. You guys, I'm just saying this is actually kind of harder than it looks. Oh guys, that was way too big. Yeah, this eye is too big. So I managed to kind of make the eye. I think this looks pretty good. So actually now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the second eye. I know in the picture both of the one of the eyes is closed, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make both of them open. So right here we have the clay. I'm going to need to do it again. So here I did the eyes. Here's the second one. And yeah, here are the eyes. I think they look pretty good. I made them a bit smaller, just so that they wouldn't take over the whole entire face. So it will be like this. I think that looks good. So right here I have some black clay to give kind of some details to the eyes. So it looks on top there's a little bit of a layer. So it's kind of like this, I think. Yeah, like that. It's kind of like an eyebrow. I mean, I don't think it's an eyebrow. It's kind of just to give the eye more detail. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. And next, there's a very, very thin kind of layer on the bottom. Trying to roll it with my hands. So if you look very closely, her eyes, they're blue-green, bluish greenish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some clear slime. I'm gonna add the tiniest bit of blue food coloring, and then I'm just gonna add in a drop of green. And hopefully we can get the right eye color. I think this color is pretty good. So right here I'm going to take some of the clear slime. I'm going to roll it into a very small ball. Like this. Then I'm going to place it right in the center. Like this. Next I'm going to take more clear slime and I'm going to do the same to the other eye. So right here I have some black clay. I'm gonna roll it into a ball. I'm gonna place it right here, like that. And then I'm gonna take more black clay, and we're gonna place it right here. Guys, let me know in the comments how well I'm doing so far. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is basically we have to do the mouth and the hair. I think I'm just gonna do the mouth right now. So the mouth is kind of black. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll it out like this, and it almost looks like the letter W. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some clay, and I'm just gonna mold it into a shape like that. It looks like it looks like she's smirking. There we go. That looks good. That looks okay, guys. I think the mouth turned out pretty good. Just need to make it look like it's smiling. Guys, I don't know. Is it smiling? Okay, guys, now we have to make the hair. This is definitely the hardest part. So right here I have some magical clay. It's called magical clay. It's the teal color. So at least I don't really have to dye it, but the thing is, her hair is a bit darker than this. It's almost also blue. Okay, so let's take the clay out. Yeah, basically the color of her hair is almost exactly the color of her eyes. This clay is really sticky for some reason. Okay. I'm just gonna take some of like the extra clear slime for the eyes and I'm just gonna mix it in here. It looks like the hair is a bit, like, has a blue tint to it, so I'm gonna add in some blue food coloring. So right here, I'm like gonna add some in. Okay, I think that's good. Guys, the clay is like butter slime already. Whoa, okay guys. I think this color is basically on point. Okay, this looks really good. So you guys, the hair is for sure the hardest part. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Guys, wish me luck. Okay, so I'm just gonna like put my phone right here so that I can like see it more, but okay. So right here, I don't even know where to start. So I'm gonna take it and put it like, guys, I literally need help. I have no clue how to do this. Okay, I'm just gonna like start off by putting some right here. And the thing is, there's kind of like just the strands. So right here, I'm kind of making like this strand. Or maybe I don't even know which one I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna take more right here. Kind of like layering it. Okay, then I'm gonna take more. Okay, actually, what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to do, like, these kind of strands that are kind of going in her eyes. Take some, like, right here. It's kind of, like, thick. It's almost, like, really wide, this one. Not going to do all of them, but I'm going to try to do, like, my best at the one right here. In like the center. Okay, these are like kind of the bangs. I'm gonna put some right here so that there's not that much like empty space. Wait, how did I not realize this, guys? The mouth fell off. Oh my gosh. Please. Okay, there we go. Guys, how did I not notice? I'm paying attention so much to like the hair that I completely like didn't notice at all. Guys, I think that's kind of it for the hair. I honestly don't really know if that's like that good. I might need to like outline it with some like black clay. I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. So right now, I'm gonna take some black clay and then I'm gonna like start outlining it. So guys, I'm gonna add on some like last little hairs because I think that would like make it look a lot better. Like kind of right here. These are like essentially like the bangs. Okay, now this one. Like that. Personally, I think it's really good. I asked my sister and she said she thought it doesn't look so good. I don't know, guys. Comment below what you think. I think it looks really good. Okay, now guys, time for the sunglasses. And I think they're sunglasses. I can't really tell. But guys, once we do the sunglasses, we're gonna be pretty much done. So to do that, I'm going to take some clear slime and I'm going to dye it black. So we only need a little bit, so I took a little bit of clear slime. I'm going to dye it the color black right here. Oh my goodness, I put way too much. That was so much. No, I'm going to get on my hands. I really don't want to get that on my hands. Because this coloring, it like stains your hands, like forever, like for at least like 2 days. I put way too much. No, I'm not touching that, I'm not touching that. I'm gonna take like a spoon or something to do this. I do not want to get my hands super duper dirty. Okay guys, this is a real mess right here. At the last step, we have to ruin it. Oh my gosh. Oh, now the spoon is dirty, no. You seriously don't get it. This coloring will stay on my fingers for like literally like 5 days. Ugh. Ugh. So guys, here we have the slime, I guess. I'm gonna roll it like this. Now we're gonna make it like into those like circles, which are the sunglasses. It's kind of sticking to me though. Please, we're going down the last step. I am just so like sad. I think I legit just went ahead and ruined the beautiful thing that we already had. You guys, I legit think we just ruined it. I mean, I ruined it. Oh, and I totally didn't just stain my table forever. Oh, guys, it's actually coming off. Phew. I literally was about to panic. So, in attempt to fix it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some clear slime and I'm just going to put it on top of the sunglasses to maybe make it, like, clearer, I guess. Honestly, I don't even know what that's gonna do at this point. I don't know. Comment below if you think the sunglasses ruined it. Well, anyways, there isn't really anything I can do about it right now. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix this all together. So guys, this is the final look that we got. Comment below how you guys would rate this. I think it looks not too bad. Sunglasses definitely ruined it. Maybe they're not as bad as I think. Maybe I'm just being too hard on myself. But definitely comment down below what you guys think. But now we're gonna mix this all together. So here is the chocolate gacha like recreation complete. Honestly, I think it looks pretty good. The sunglasses, honestly, I thought they ruined it. They might have ruined it, but to be honest, it doesn't look that bad. I tried like making the hair. I think it looks pretty good. Comment below and rate how you think I did. Personally, I'm gonna rate this like a 9 out of 10. Comment down below like your thoughts. I really hope Chocolate Gacha sees this video. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna mix this all together. But first, I'm also gonna put some clear slime over it. Guys, this is gonna be super duper satisfying. I cannot wait to do this. So right over here we have the clear slime, and now guys, let me cover it. So you guys, mixing that in was actually really satisfying, but to be honest, I almost like feel bad mixing that in. But yeah, comment below how satisfying like mixing in like the gacha character was. Honestly, it was a lot of fun at making this. It was just a little bit stressful at times because I really didn't want to mess up. So once the like clays are mixed in, the slime is like a bit stiff, and I kind of got this like gray color, which makes sense because of like all of the black clay in it. This slime is like, now it's kind of pretty stiff. Also, it basically feels like just pure clay. It has a bit of clear slime in it, but it's mainly like, it's like 95% like just clay. So pretty much now we just have some nice gray clay. I still think the clay is like really satisfying to play with. It's also very spreadable. But anyways, guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. I spent a lot of time making this video, so I really hope you guys like appreciate it and enjoyed it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!